Welcome and let's talk about ShibaDoge. Of course, ShibaDoge is a combination of Shiba and Dogecoin, and not just that, this token in the past 24 hours have actually gained over 13% increase, and this token is now trading with 15 zeros. I mean, can you see this? 15 zeros. That simply means even a $1 investment can make you a millionaire if this token eventually lose about 9 to 10 zeros. Yes. Now, when you take a look at the past 3 months, this token have actually it have actually gained over 1,294% increase in the past 3 months. Now, in this video, I'll be talking about ShibaDoge price prediction between 2022 down to 2030. And if we decide to invest a $1 or a $10 investment on this token, how much can we make if this token eventually lose 7 zeros, 5 zeros? Then we'll be able to know. Remember, Shiba Inu itself, somebody invested money on Shiba Inu when Shiba Inu was actually trading with 11 to 15 zeros. And not just that, this person invested $8,000 and eventually earned about $5.7 billion. Now, in this video, let's take a look at if we decide to invest $10 on what ShibaDoge. Now, ShibaDoge still have about 15 zeros. It simply means if ShibaDoge eventually lose 3 zeros, our $10 investment will be worth about $10,000. Now, I'm expecting ShibaDoge to lose about 1 zeros in 2022. I'm also expecting ShibaDoge to lose at least 3 zeros by the end of 2023, and then 4 zeros by the end of 2024, 5 zeros by the end of 2025, and between 7 to 9 zeros by the end of 2030. Now, if ShibaDoge eventually lose about 5 zeros, it simply means if we have $10 investment on this token, then our money will be worth about $1 million. That means if ShibaDoge lose 5 zeros, ShibaDoge will be trading with 10 zeros. That is not yet up to what the current price of Shiba Inu that is trading with 4 zeros. Now, if ShibaDoge eventually lose about 8 zeros, simply means by then ShibaDoge will be trading with 7 zeros. Your $10 investment might be worth about $1 billion, which simply means somebody that invested $1 on ShibaDoge will have over $100 million return. Okay, that is a lot of money if this token eventually lose about 8 zeros. Now, if this token eventually lose about 9 zeros, let's assume by the year 2030 or by the year 2032, and this token eventually lose about 9 zeros, which simply means ShibaDoge will be trading with 6 zeros. It's not yet the current price of Shiba Inu, because Shiba Inu was actually trading with this number of zeros, but now Shiba Inu is trading with 4 zeros. Now, let's assume this token start trading with 6 zeros. It simply means your $10 investment will be worth about $10 billion. And if you have $1 investment, you will be making over $1 billion return. Though I don't see this, I can't see ShibaDoge losing about 9 zeros, except something mighty what would happen with ShibaDoge for that to happen. But even though ShibaDoge eventually lose just 4 zeros, remember, we'll be making over $100,000 with just a $10 investment. And if ShibaDoge loses about 5 zeros, I'm expecting ShibaDoge to lose about $5 at least by the next 4 to 5 years or 6, 7, 8 years to come. ShibaDoge should be able to lose about 5 zeros. That means we'll be making $1 million with ShibaDoge. So please kindly remember, invest money you can afford to lose. If you decide to buy ShibaDoge and keep, remember, this video is not a financial advice, and kindly do your own research. And we also ask you to please kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button, because what we do, we talk about crypto or trading, crypto prediction, and how to make money online. So kindly watch out for ShibaDoge, because this ShibaDoge, the combination of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, is going to be a boom. Of course, we all know Shiba is a very popular crypto memo coin alongside Dogecoin, and we also hope ShibaDoge, which is a memo coin, will also join the queue of other tokens that have actually made it, just like Floki Inu. So ShibaDoge, congratulations to them, because they're actually doing great. Though last week they were among the trading crypto token at the moment. That was last week, and today they're actually getting over 12.64% increase in the last 24 hours. So if you want to invest in ShibaDoge, please kindly invest money you cannot afford to lose. And one last thing again, remember, ShibaDoge have been listed on this world exchange, and I'm expecting ShibaDoge to be listed on Kucoin, on Get.io, and eventually we're expecting to be listed on Binance, and then Coinbase, and other top crypto exchange they out there. So once again, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.